Birds and butterflies are among the major pollinators of flowering plants. With funding from JRS Biodiversity Foundation, Tanzania Wildlife Research Institute, in collaboration with partners, are assessing the impacts of climate change on montane forest pollinators in Tanzania. Among the major outputs of this project are an open access database for bird and butterfly pollinator species that will allow data sharing with the public and the use of this information to advise the government of Tanzania on the conservation of biodiversity. Towards achieving the outputs, we have conducted the following activities: compiled historical data on the distribution of bird and butterfly pollinator species in the Usambara and Uluguru mountains, conducted field surveys to assess the current distribution of bird and butterfly species and the demographic response of bird species to climate change, established a database on the Tawiri website on bird and butterfly geographic occurrence in the Usambara and Uluguru mountains. And also we have disseminated some of the findings. As part of our achievements, a database on the historical occurrence of flower pollinating bird species have been established and published on the Global Biodiversity Information Facility. A database on African sunbird food plants has been uploaded to the Dryad website. Field surveys have been conducted for year 1 and 2 of the project for birds and butterflies, and data have been digitized awaiting to be uploaded to the database. Field surveys have recorded 269 individuals of 5 birds pollinator species and 512 individuals of 30 butterfly pollinator species. 1 manuscript for bird pollinator species have been published and 2 manuscripts are under review. During the course of this project, 23 Tanzanians, including researchers, staff, technicians, and volunteers, have been trained on how to generate metrics of elevational range shift, digitize elevational range data, collect and record field data. For the next financial year, we plan to conduct final field surveys for birds and butterflies and digitize the data and upload them to the databases. We also plan to conduct educational workshops with project beneficiaries. Tanzania Wildlife Research Institute and partners acknowledges the financial support from JRS Biodiversity Foundation and also acknowledges the contributions from researchers, staff, technicians, and volunteers who made this work possible.